Ever wondered why your car's performance drops or why there's excessive smoke from the exhaust? Often the answer lies in a small yet crucial component of your vehicle, the diesel particulate filter, or DPF for short. It's the unsung hero that keeps your car running smoothly and our air cleaner. When the DPF becomes blocked, you may start to notice some common issues. First, there's decreased fuel efficiency. Your car might be guzzling more gas than usual, and that's no good for your wallet or the environment. Then, there's increased emission levels. Your vehicle could be pumping out more pollutants, contributing to poor air quality, and let's not forget poor engine performance. Your once smooth ride might feel sluggish, lacking the power and responsiveness it once had. The DPF is a vital part of your vehicle's engine, and maintaining it is key to ensuring your car's longevity and performance. Well, a blocked DPF could be the culprit, but don't worry, we have a solution for you. The first step to clear your blocked DPF is to perform a forced air pressure sensor reset. Now this might sound like a mouthful, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Start by turning off your car's engine. Safety first, always. The sensor we're looking for is usually located near the air filter box. It's a small device, about the size of a matchbox, with a wire connector attached to it. Once you've located the sensor, it's time to disconnect it. Gently unplug the wire connector from the sensor. Be careful not to pull too hard, as you don't want to damage any of the wires. Now comes the waiting game. Leave the sensor disconnected for about 5 minutes. This allows your car's computer system time to recognize that the sensor has been disconnected, which is a crucial part of the reset process. After 5 minutes, reconnect the sensor. Simply plug the wire connector back into the sensor. Make sure it's secure and that there's no dirt or debris in the connection. This is important to ensure that the sensor can accurately read the air pressure once it's back online. Once you've done this, your car's computer system should reset the sensor, paving the way for a smoother ride. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to resetting your forced air pressure sensor. Just remember to follow each step carefully to ensure a successful reset. Next, we move on to the filter reset. This process is quite straightforward, but it's crucial to remember that it should only be performed after the sensor reset. First, you need to locate the filter. It's usually placed in the exhaust system, so you might have to get under your car. Once you've found it, the next step is to remove it, but be careful not to damage it in the process. Now it's time to clean the filter. For this, we recommend using a specialized DPF cleaning solution. Simply spray it on, let it sit for a while, and then rinse it off. This solution is designed to dissolve and remove the soot particles that are causing the blockage. Once you've thoroughly cleaned it, you'll need to reinstall the filter. Again, be gentle to avoid causing any damage, and there you have it, a clean filter ready to do its job right. So, we've just walked you through the process of performing forced air pressure sensor and filter resets. We've highlighted the common problems due to blocked DPF, the importance of regular maintenance, and the steps to reset the sensor and filter. This isn't just for optimal car performance, but also for the environment. Regular maintenance and timely resets can prevent serious blockage issues. Remember, a well-maintained DPF not only improves your car's performance but also contributes to a cleaner environment. So do your bit and keep that DPF clean.